Here's a real good sneaky way of getting a much better entry on breakouts where you'll get better entries, better risk rewards, and it's a good risk management technique because you're just adding positions and build up on it as the trade works. So it's a much better way of trading breakouts than rather trading the breakout and it failing and then losing all the money. So this is what you do. You look for the contraction patterns to be created. So when I say contraction, you want to look like triangles, pennants, wedges being created, which contracting. And as it gets to the apex of the triangle, what you want to see is for the EMA to be acting as dynamic support and resistance. It's basically a zone where it cannot get past. Okay, so if we look here, you can see this area. It's reacted multiple times, and it just cannot get past it. And if we look even more closer, you can see we have this 100 EMA right here. And there's never been a body close below it. So you can see rejected it once, tried again, twice, three times bounced off, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So lots of different bounces. Once you see it reject the EMA more than 3 times, that's when you can just start adding just a little bit of a position, maybe a 1/4% of the position. And then if it rejects again, add another quarter as it starts moving a bit, a quarter. So you can just start building up your position, basically. And then once you're seeing it again here on this rejection, that's where you could have added another part of your position as well. So you've got in down here at a lower price, and when it breaks out, you've got a much, much better risk to reward. So you'd have built positions down here like this. So stops go below the last low, and already you're at 1 hour here. So that could be a good break even point. And if it breaks out, okay, you've got plenty of room to trail it now. And maybe the final target could be the next resistance up here. So that would offer just over 3 hour. But you could let it run as well. But you're getting a much better risk to reward than if you'd have entered on this breakout here. You're barely getting 1 hour to that next resistance point. So, add in your position once you start seeing it resist an EMA and a zone is a good area to trade the breakouts because it gets you in just a little bit earlier and you can just dip your feet in. Even if the first position loses, at least you've only lost a little bit. So it's just a good way of building your position up and letting the trade work for you. So yeah, give it a try.